for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing and first impression. And this time, it is for the iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, another Apple device again, because September is already on the horizon, which will be the month for the new iPhones. So before the new iPhone 16 series will be released, let's first check its predecessor, which is the iPhone 15 Pro. So we have purchased this iPhone 15 with a blue titanium color and 128GB. So we are able to get it with a discount price from PowerMac, an Apple reseller here in the Philippines. From 77,000, it became only around 68,000 due to the promo of the Union Bank. So here is the iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium. Well, this color actually looks better in person than I expected. And as usual, it feels premium like the previous iPhones. It appears to be lighter due to its titanium construction. And I like how small and solid this phone is. I'm just concerned that this color might attract a lot of fingerprints. But anyway, let's check other things on the box. And we have here a wide braided USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and still we don't have any power adapter, unfortunately. Then we have some paperwork, SIM ejector tool, other documentation, and Apple stickers. Let's go back now to the iPhone 15 Pro, and let's further appreciate the beauty of this blue titanium color. Let's go ahead and remove this display sticker, and we are greeted by its 6.1-inch LED display with its dynamic island. Let me just turn this on, and it is now booting up, and we are now at its welcome screen. So let me just finish setting up this iPhone 15 Pro. So I have finished setting up everything on this phone, and my first impressions is quite strong. The camera rings on this phone are enormous, covering nearly a third of the back, which is even larger than those on my S24 Ultra. In person, it's almost absurd how big are those. But the build quality remains exceptional, which I've come to appreciate in Apple devices. The matte finish on titanium sides as opposed to a glossy one is a nice touch too. I also enjoy the smaller form factor, which makes one-handed use much more practical. Its bezels are incredibly thin, adding to the visual appeal in making it noticeably smaller than the regular iPhone 15. Performance-wise, it's outstanding. It's quicker and it's much smoother, largely due to the Pro Motion display and its Apple A17 Pro chipset. The display's color and brightness are impressive too. The only aspect of the display I dislike is its dynamic island. And so far, after a few days of use, the experience has been smooth sailing. I plan to conduct further testing, especially with its camera and its gaming performance, before finalizing my review for this phone. So that is my unboxing and my first impressions for this iPhone 15 Pro in 2024. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.